Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Misbah Rakib from the Traveling Man YouTube channel. I came out for a cycling session in the morning. It's very good for your health to do cycling or walking or do any kind of exercises in the morning, because you have to be fit, and if you are not healthy you can't concentrate in your work and your health will get worsened. That's not a good sign, and we want to work relentlessly and very accurately. So for that we need to have a perfect body. So if you want a perfect body, you have to do exercises, maintain your diet, and choose what you eat, and be very specific. Coming to Qatar, in the first few days I drink lot of cold drinks and lot of Laban, lot of Pepsi and many more things. But that time I didn't realize that the cold was sitting in my chest, and when the weather is changing in Qatar, I feel one day I have a severe cough and I couldn't talk, so much cough, and there was many cold. I have cold also. Then I drink a syrup for my cough and cold, and Alhamdulillah I am fine after that. So after that I realized that in the cold in Qatar is not good. It's not good for your lungs, and so I am very choosy right now. And life is great in Qatar if you find a suitable job or your likings, if your likings match with your job. And Qatar is a very beautiful place. You can see the greenery here and the trees here. So the trees and the greenery are very good for our eyes. The heat is increasing by minute, but it is not as heat or hot as the summer, because in summer there are like 55 to 60 degrees in Qatar. I didn't get that because I landed in Qatar on 7th of September 2025, and the next day I feel a burning sensation. I looked at the weather report, it was 45 degrees, and I think, oh no, who set fire on my body? It's feeling very hurtful, but day by day the temperature decreases, and now I am very much suitable with the weather, and inshallah in the summer I will be able to cope with the weather. And Qatar is a Arab country, so I didn't hesitate much to come, because there is a Islamic ruling, and they love Islam because they are Arabs, and there are mosques all the places. You will find, if there is no mosque, you will find prayer rooms in the parks. So that's a very plus. And in the Jummah day it feel like Bangladesh, and in Eid also I am hoping to find the joy in Bangladesh, but there are not all my families, but some of my relatives are here, so it will be great. That's it. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned, like, comment and subscribe the Traveling Man.